Hi there, this is Anna Brandt, the founder of the Studio Social System. We have a new update already. We've only had this program out for 48 hours and we decided to make an update to add carousels. So in the carousel builder, so you have post, stories and reels, and now carousels. In the carousel program, you can have up to 20 slides, okay? It starts out with 3 in all the same categories. Once you decide what your category, so let's say we'll go into Cake Smash, you just click here and then you'll have all the other options that you had before. So this is where you can just kind of create your posts. Same thing where you would upload a photo. Okay, so let's just say, okay, we'll do here. Let's upload a photo. And we'll come here, we'll go to birthdays. And let's pick, I guess, I don't know. Like I said, I always say the hardest part is picking the image. So there's the first one, and we can suggest the caption as always. We can generate hashtags as the others. Here we go. We can do the text size. Okay. Oh, the studio name was supposed to put here that I didn't put. So I can go back and do that. So we'll put Anna Brandt Photography. And then we can kind of go back in there and see how it added it. And then we go to the next one. Your baby just turned 1. That's a 2-year-old. There we go. And if you want to add, well, keep in mind you can move the words. I probably will delete that one. We'll do it again. So let's pick a photo. I guess that one's fine. And then we could move the words. We can go darker on the words. We can move the image. I guess we can do that one. And then done. And then you can add slides, so you can keep going. Once you are done, then you just download it. So we can do here. We can just even leave a quote page if we want. And then hook over the photo. Let's grab another one. Let's see, maybe this one. There we go. We'll move this here, change the color. I kind of like that. Oh, I moved that over. There was one that said Cake Smash season is here. Let's see. 21, Sweetest Mess. Oh gosh, there's so many cute ones. There's another one. There we go. Perfect. And then you can keep going. And then once you're done, let's just do that one. Once you're done, you just hit download carousel. Allow. Close. And so then, let's look at our downloads. And here we go. And here they are, ready to go. Isn't that fun? And you could literally just jump over here to Instagram. And when you're uploading your carousels, you can just pick all of them, upload, make sure you do your original size, and then you can rearrange your carousels any way you want and post. So hopefully you'll enjoy the new feature in the Studio Social System, and I look forward to seeing all of your creations.